I suspected these tie rod ends were shot, but I wasn't quite sure how bad they were. But now with the wheel off, I can see that is way too much movement in there. Shouldn't bang and rattle like that. These boots are a little bit old, but not terrible. But that kind of movement is not okay. So I got the tie rods and the steering damper out, and they were all in bad shape. The steering damper, I guess, was okay, but certainly won't tearing all this apart. I'm going to replace it. Got the tie rods, at least the longer one, the same length as the other. Now that I'm looking at it, I've got to go like a turn in on this side. Let's see. Yeah, that's about right. Then tighten it up and put it back on. But that'll be a quick alignment, and then I can take it to an alignment shop for them to do a proper job. You can see now all the under bits of the Hummbug are exposed. This upper bearing is not looking so great, but I don't feel any play in them. That feels no clunking and chunking there. The old tie rods, the long one, the short one, and the steering damper, all ripped. They got beat up by the pickle fork, of course, but they were definitely in need of changing. The new, hopefully this video is not upside down. See one back there. Let's see. Nice new tie rod end. Everything's much more solid. Verdict so far is the Hummbug drives much better. It's, for some reason, going straight down the road, the steering is much tighter, no sloppy tie rod ends, and yeah, for some reason the steering wheel is straight, which it really shouldn't be. I didn't make any change to that. Probably still get it in alignment, but the bumps are less jarring, probably because the steering damper was kind of spent. So far, so good. Let's see how it does on this hill right here. Down in a second, hopefully second and not reverse. Yeah, that's all right. See how it goes at speed. No shaking, no shimmying, not pulling. So altogether, a very improved ride. I was surprised to see what was behind it. Pay attention!